All right, gang, it's Lonnie. We're back in the shed. I am back from the Highway 70 yard sale. We had a blast. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there are some videos before this one, and there will be some more videos after this one too. I have quite a few clips I still haven't edited yet. Plenty of live interactions and stuff. We had a great time. The weather was not very cooperative at first. It got better, but yeah, it was a blast. I'm glad to be back though. I did have my store on vacation mode, or not vacation mode. I made my handling time crazy, and then I ended up adjusting it. But we still do have some sales, some orders to pull that sold. Some of them are pretty good too. So let's get these orders pulled. This is some stuff I sold on eBay that is going out to customers today. All right. Oh, by the way, the shed right now, the shed is a mess. I've got these bins here. I've got a bin here. I've got a lot of cleaning out to do and stuff. My plan on dealing with this, and I've still got actually this stuff here, and here that is not listed that I bought from my guy last week. I think that was. I listed quite a bit of it, but a lot of it is not listed. My plan is probably gonna skip yard sales this coming weekend. So I think you can expect to see, other than some Tennessee footage, I think you're gonna be seeing a lot of shed footage, because I really need to get things pulled together in here. It's kind of running away from me. But yeah, first thing we're pulling, I sold this lot of Hot Wheels. It's HW3 here. This is 24, I believe, Hot Wheels cars in here. Lot of 24 different Hot Wheels cars, new on card. Yeah, well, I'll pop it open real quick. So yeah, here they are. It's a bunch of, I mean, there are actually some pretty cool cars in here. I'm gonna actually take them out because they need to be packed a little better than this. Obviously, need to like do some void fill, a little padding and whatnot. But yeah, these are all brand new, and I got these from my guy, and most of them aren't, you know, there might be some cars in here that are worth $5 or so. Look, this is a cool one, the Wienermobile. I've actually been inside of a Wienermobile before at a gas station. The gas station, I went to pump gas, and Wienermobile was sitting there, and I'm like, hey man, can I look inside of that thing? And I went inside the Wienermobile and sat in he gave me like a Coke, and yeah, I lounged in one of the chairs. It was like really comfy. It was really cool. But yeah, here they all are. 24 cars total, all brand new. I got $23.99 plus shipping on top, so basically $1 a piece. And you know, that's I think that's probably fairly typical of what you can expect of just common Hot Wheel cars. So yeah, but I'm glad to sell them because you know, from my guy, this kind of stuff I get pretty cheap. So yeah, let me pack this up. Okay, I actually sold some more of this Dorb stuff over the weekend. Sold like 4 of them, I think, which is really good. 3 of them are going to one person, and then one single is going to somebody else. Let's see, one of the singles is a Joker. Okay, it's right here. So this one is going out. I got $9.99 free ship for that one. And then I sold, let's see, a Robin, Batman black suit, and Penguin. Robin, okay, here's a Penguin. Then I'm going to double check once I go off camera. Batman black suit. I guess it's this one. They all have numbers. So yeah, 36. And then what, this is 30. Yep, that's right. And then finally I need 26, which is Robin. Who is this? Oh, that's Robin right there. Okay. So yeah, this order right here, 8, 18. This is like $28 worth right here. Free ship. So probably not going to get that in first class, I wouldn't think. 2 of these, like I did get asked a question last week about selling these or shipping these. they were saying that, you know, I wouldn't be able to, I got all these tubs in the way, gotta move this stuff. But they said that you wouldn't be able to ship those first class. I actually did ship these first class in a box. Together, these still weigh like less than 8 ounces for 2 of them. And then the box weighs, I don't know, maybe 5 ounces or something. Maybe 6 ounces with the packaging and stuff. So it still came in under a pound to ship 2. I don't know if I could ship 3 first class or not. I'll try. Okay, the last thing I sold on my second account is a Batman car. Batman Automobilia. Might be on the other side. I was kind of dumb whenever I did the numbers on these things. I put numbers on labels, but then a lot of them, before I wised up a little bit, let me see if these are it. Nope, I'm looking for 33. This might be it. Yeah, this is it right here. I got lucky. But I put the numbers on the bottom, you big dummy. And then these, I put it on the side. So anyway, I got $14.99 plus shipping on top for this car. Really pretty cool. Look at it. So this plastic cube. Okay, I'm up on the step stool, and look, I grabbed it right here. I just opened this thing up. I found it. This is a compass. Picked this up for $3 weekend before last at a yard sale. It's a compass with, it doesn't have the bracket. That's one thing that kind of hurt it a little bit, but still got, how much did I get for this? $19.99 plus shipping on top for this guy. It's going to go first class. I did like hook these wires up to a little power supply to show that the compass would light up. So decent little sale. All right, the infamous NES that I picked up for $1 at a yard sale that I really got, I mean, I got roasted on this thing. And I understand, I mean, like a lot of people may not know what these things are worth. Console only, untested, they're not worth that much. They just aren't. These original, especially this one right here in particular, because it's like really yellowed and stuff. Like you can clean that. There are steps you can take to clean it, but this is nothing special whatsoever. Somebody's gonna have to put a little time and effort into this. It probably does work once they clean the pins up and stuff. They typically will, but they'll have to like supply their own controllers and all that good stuff. So anyways, all that to say, I spent $1 on this and I got $18 plus shipping back. So yeah, I mean, it's a decent profit, but it's not like, I think a lot of people that saw me when I bought this, from the older lady that I bought it from, I think they were under the impression that this thing was worth like $100 or something, you know. And but whenever I listed it, I didn't test it at all, like truly untested. I put it right here. I took like 4 or 5 pictures and I listed it, and that's it. I said untested as is, no returns. So yeah, $18 plus shipping. All right, I sold some Dr. Scholl's arch supports, and these have done exceptionally well. Trying to remember, I got these from my guy originally, and I said I'm looking for S17. I had them in like a big tub at one point, and I ended up trying to make them a little smaller. Oh, here we go, S17. It doesn't take long to flip through them and find the ones I'm looking for. I got $24.99 for this box. I want to say I paid about $1 a piece for these from my guy. Oh, it's been a while, so I'm trying to remember. 75 bucks is what I paid for these a piece, and no, for all of them I should say. And yeah, $24.99 plus shipping on top. These are doing great, and I think people are like actually using these. All right, I sold another photography related item, a Hoya close-up filter set. It's up here. I've got this poster thing on top, so I gotta be careful. Yeah. All right, make sure it doesn't fall. Hoya close-up filter set. I've had this listed for a little while. Took an offer of $8 plus shipping, so not a huge profit. This probably came in like a camera bag or something as part of another lot, and I just listed it separately, I'm guessing, because I don't remember picking it up. Okay, this was a terrific sale. very excited about this one. Well, I got to get up here and get to this stuff. But I sold Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare, this one right here. I sold this. This is a sealed PC game, and I sold it for $40. I took an offer of $40 plus shipping. And let me get it out of there. Okay, yeah. So anyway, I sold this for $40 plus shipping on top. Brand new sealed game. Make sure it's the right one. This is the right one. This is part of a large lot of big box PC games I got. Those ones you saw on top of that shelf, those are all the sealed, more modern games that I had. I've sold a few now for really good money. I've sold a lot of role-playing game stuff from that lot. That lot is going great. Haven't even listed the vintage stuff yet. So that stuff is going to be awesome. That whole deal is going to end up being worth a bunch of money. The best sale of the day, or the best sale I'm pulling today, is this one right here. This is pighead, cast iron pighead thing. Some people have said it's probably for making hogshead cheese, which that would make sense, because this is mold like this in the shape, and it does sit flat whenever you set it down like that. Very heavy. It's like 7 to 8 pounds. But anyways, I paid $15 for this at an estate sale a while back, and Candace actually spotted this up on the wall, and I bought it. I didn't even look it up or anything. Ended up getting, I took an offer of 100, or wait, I thought it was 150. I took an offer of $165 for this plus shipping on top. So by far the best thing I sold. I sold a little action figure guy. Oh, I think it's this guy right here. Here we go. Deathstroke. This is a loose Funko Pop reaction figure that sold for $5.99 plus shipping on top. I've got 3 more of these available. All right, with the laptop up here, the bench is getting a little crowded, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up, and we'll come back and look at some more stuff that sold. Okay, I got those packed. Let's pull a few more things. So this is a sale I've been waiting on for quite a while now. There's a channel called Rod at Win by Doing. Rod is a reseller, and he also has his own, at this point he also has his own like online auction and stuff. He runs ice cream trucks, all kind of stuff. But last year, Rod showed a Webster's Unabridged Dictionary, just like this one, that he bought real cheap and sold for around 30 bucks. And I was like, wow, that's something else. And I'm telling y'all, like right after I watched that video, the very next weekend, I found this one at a yard sale. And I bought it for $1. And it's been sitting, and not here, it's been sitting in storage and then here for about a year now. And every now and then I would pick on, like, Rod, I still have that dictionary. Thanks a lot, man. You know, just messing with them. And somebody bought it. Somebody paid me $30 plus shipping on top. So, Rod, if you happen to watch this, I don't know if you're going to see it or not, I finally sold that dictionary. An amazing profit. It just took a little while, like a year. Okay, next up, we have a Dungeons and Dragons game right here. This guy, I just bought this for 75 cents at a yard sale a couple weeks ago. This is like a basic set. It's missing some of the dice and stuff. It's not complete, but I sold it for $49.99 plus shipping on top. It sold within about a week, I guess, something like that. So that was an awesome return. Oh, and I have to go back here again. I forgot that I actually sold 2 of these PC games. Move this hat again. All right, so yeah, I sold Empire Earth 2 as well. So yeah, this stuff is gold. Like literally just cleaning up on this whole deal. Like This stuff, I paid for that stuff right there, and then a bunch of RPG stuff, and a lot of y'all probably already know about this stuff, but and then I have some more stuff here, all this stuff here, and then a bunch of stuff up here that isn't even listed yet. I paid $30 for all that stuff, and I probably sold close to $400 already, just in the little bit of stuff I've listed. A lot of RPG stuff too that already sold. But yeah, this one sold, Empire Earth 2, sealed for PC. Sold this for, I took an offer, $50 plus shipping on top, which is actually a penny more than the original sticker price of $49.99. So that was a really good one. All right, I sold 2 of these decks of cards, and I was supposed to have taken these down already, but I didn't, and list all these boxes right here as lots, and I haven't actually taken these other listings down yet, so I did have to go find these real quick. It took about 10 minutes. Anyway, I sold this deck of the Tick cards and for $9.99, and this deck of Judge Dredd cards for $5.99. I imagine I'll probably be shipping these like priority cubic or something like that, because these are going to be, this is going to be over £1. This won't be shipping first class package. Let's see, one more sale I got to pull. All right, last thing I'm pulling, 2 orders up here for Coke crates. Coke crates number 2 and 10 going out to the same buyer. All right, number 10 here is a red one. They're both red. This one's in pretty nice shape. It's got the 24 slots or whatever there. Those seem to do a little better. And then number 2. Oh, after a few more of these, I'll be down to 1 stack. Here we go. This one's not in quite as good a shape as the other. What is in there? Anything? I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, that's the, okay, never mind. I know what that is. So yeah, this one and this one. And the total sale on this is $46.98 plus shipping on top. Oh, you can see this one has like some wood. It's kind of messed up or whatever in there. Okay, that is it for today, y'all. Got most stuff packed. I've got a mess in here, so I need to get to work cleaning this place out, getting stuff listed. So like I said, we're gonna be, you can look forward to a lot of shed days in the near future. Might be a few more Tennessee videos, but lots of shed time. See y'all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.